Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Volkswagen ID app charging reminders and schedules, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate charging reminders and schedules on the Volkswagen ID app, begin by opening the app on your smartphone. Log into your Volkswagen ID account if you haven't already done so. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the vehicle option on the navigation menu. Tap on Vehicle to access your car's settings. In the Vehicle settings, find and select the Charging section. Within the Charging section, look for the option labeled Charging Reminders. Tap on Charging Reminders to edit your preferences. You will see options for setting up reminders based on your driving schedule. Choose the time of day you typically prefer to charge your vehicle. Next, select the specific days of the week you want these reminders to occur. After setting your desired schedule, confirm your selections by tapping Save. Now, find the option labeled Charging Schedule and select it. Here, you can specify the time you want your vehicle to start charging. Choose the days for the charging schedule in the same way as before. Once you have set all your preferences for the charging schedule, confirm by tapping Save. Your charging reminders and schedules are now active. Make sure to review your settings periodically to ensure they still match your routine. You are now ready to enjoy the convenience of automated charging reminders on your Volkswagen ID app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.